How to change text orientation in an Excel field. Have you ever had the need for some columns to simply not have the usual text display? Stay until the end of the video and find out how you can change the orientation of the text in the field in Excel. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, we will open the Excel we want. I will choose this one. Here is some information. As we can see in each one, the text is displayed from left to right. How can we change that? Select the Home section in the top menu. Find this icon here. If we click on it, a list will appear that offers us some way of text orientation. You can choose something from the predefined ones, and as you can see, the text will change its orientation. However, if we click again on this option and select the last one from the list, a window will open where I can select the angle at which we want the text to appear. When you've chosen the angle, just click OK, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.